בסדר, זה לא שאנחנו מאחרים לא יודע מה. כן, כן. דבר שנייה. עוד פעם. הוא משתיק אותך. טוב, יאללה, בסדר. אקס. בוא נעשה שיתוף. אני כבר, אתה תבין תוך כדי. זה יהיה ממש קצר, ואז אני אשחרר אותך. פשוט אני חייב להוציא את זה גם. עצבן. טוב. אוקיי, זה יצא, ושנייה. עכשיו הטוויטר, המזדיין הזה. אוקיי. זהו, אנחנו בגדול לייב. We are live, guys. We'll wait a few moments when people come. Basically, we have technical issues because we wanted to share Lior's screen. It's not next to me physically. So we probably couldn't show the demo as we wanted today, but we'll still show Lior to say hello. We will show a little bit of his screen just to show you what we're planning to show. And unfortunately, we do it in different day after we will solve all the technical difficulties because we want to show his screen while I'm streaming from all the accounts. So let me cut to my screen, and Lior, now we're going to see you. I guess we're not going to hear you, unfortunately, so just say hello. Whoever don't know, Lior is our new CMO. Very, very talented AI creator. And Lior, I would love if you could show us a little bit of your screen, and I will try to talk a little bit about the process, and we will do in different day the actual live. So yeah, you can share your screen in the Google Meet, and I guess it will be fine. Oh man, I think I found a way to make it work. So yeah, just continue. Can you say something one moment? One moment. Wait one moment. Yeah, say something again. Yeah, never mind. Okay. Yeah, say something again. Yeah, never mind. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I can hear you. So I will try to say, honestly, I can kind of use Kolbo to make the transcription, but never mind. I will try to say what you do, and if you want, you can speak as well, and I will say what you're saying. Okay, cool. Just before that, please hide the Google Meet thing, and I will expand my screen and maybe zoom in a little bit with your screen. Yeah, it's great. Maybe also hide the prompt area. Yeah, so what Leo did, he took show one time all the images. He took like a girl that he made, and then he made like variations of her until he got to something he liked, and then he used a special tool called Enhancore, which is another tool that we saved the subscription for. It's basically a tool designed to make really realistic face textures, and he improved the images along the way. Yeah, so Leo said that what is really impressive for him in general in Kolbo and in this flow, that in just 20 minutes he made tons of images. Now you need to understand, most people that don't know Kolbo, they create each image one by one. It takes them tons of time. They usually also can't really send multiple images in the same time, like generations. So for him, it's not even the results, it's the speed that he got to those results. Yeah, so what Leo said is that the speed is crucial, not only because it's faster, it's because it allows creators take more clients, which means more money, which basically means also they don't care to pay more on a tool like Kolbo. Yeah, so show one moment the prompt area, which honestly, how is it? Okay, it is. So maybe you notice that all the images are kind of like grid. The grid technique is like the technique that we developed also in Kolbo, which basically you create 4 images in each individual image, and that way you can split the images. That make it really efficient, because then you basically, let's say you make 8 images of Nano Banana, you basically make 32. You can easily split it and follow along. Now, if you don't use Kolbo, you actually need to go to Photoshop or something and do it one by one, but Kolbo have just a tool that doing that automatically on one click. Yeah, so what Leo said now, that's the beauty in Kolbo, that he can make an upscale to each grid image and then split it, and basically give him full high quality image from all the grids. So imagine he made the image, the source image, in 4K. When he upscale it, it becomes 16K, and then when we split it, it's back to be 4K. So you don't really lose quality, even though he did the trick to make a lot of more images. Because whoever don't know Nano Banana Pro, which is the best model right now, it costs a lot of money to create those images. So it saves a lot of time and money. Yeah, cool. By the way, Leo, now that I triggered in Google Meet the transcription, so at least they can see what you're saying in real time. So what Leo said now, that what really impressive for him with that model in general is the face textures. Okay, like in high-end paying work with clients, they don't like just settle with regular images that look cool. They really pay attention to those small details. This is like also the expertise of Lior. It's like really good on making those realistic images that most people just can't get those results. Yeah. Okay. So what now Leo said is that basically what's really cool about the creative director that it's actually a streamlined workflow for everything, also for the videos, and you don't really need to sweat and like waste a lot of time about the prompting. The tool really help him to kind of auto create prompts for the videos, but he still have full control. I think that's the beauty of it. Unlike even the new models that came out by Kling and Sidance, the creative director actually still give you the full control. You can still control every frame you animate. You can control every prompt you send. So it's like complete agent flow that still give you the control, and it save him a lot of time. And also, it's just really fun to work like that. You're getting 8 videos in the time waiting of one video, which is really cool. Okay, so what Leo said just now that first of all you should ignore the hype and actually work with models that give the job done. And he discovered that Kling Turbo 2.5 give him the best results, even though there is newer models or more popular models, and especially about keeping the textures and the original image definition and quality. So yeah, and the beauty of it that you still have access to all the models in Kolbo, so you can always experiment and try more. Yeah, cool. So basically, Leo explained that he can also very easily move all those videos to any editing software, and that especially clients really down to pay a lot of money for this kind of quality and value. Okay, there is like a whole new, I don't know how to call it, profession of AI creators, and whoever know how to deliver those high quality videos, he make a lot of money. And what it means when they make a lot of money, that it's a lot of money that I can put into platforms like Kolbo.AI as well. This is why we really need to give the best results as fast as possible. Leo, I would love if you could show yourself maybe editing it, like going to Premiere and stuff. That could be really interesting, even for me actually, to see it live. And in the meantime, I will try to say you guys some more updates and also just to say what Lior doing, kind of like in a soccer game or something. Yeah, I can hear you. I will put down my microphone and I will just say what you're saying or something in the meantime. I want you actually to walk full speed. Uh, yeah, don't even talk. I want to see you walking really fast. I'm really curious as well. Yeah, let's see it. About what? About what? Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I think you can continue working for now. So what Leo is working in now is a plugin. Okay, plugin is like a software lives in another software that we have for Kolbo.AI. The solution this plugin gives, it saves tons of time for like moving the assets you created in the web app to your video editing software. Now, not only that, you can filter by project, you can see all your media, and you can simply select all of it and just drag it to the timeline very easily. Another cool thing about the plugin that you can actually also create with Kolbo inside the plugin. By the way, Leo, you don't need to press directly on the checkbox. It will work also if you just select anywhere. Yeah. Um, yeah, so basically now Leo, what he's doing is just selecting all the media he created. Because he have a filtration based project, it's very easy for him. Even if he make thousands of videos, it's very easy for him to only find and add the relevant videos for the project. As you can see, it's already inside the timeline. This process he just did usually take at least 10 or 15 minutes, and that's in a good case where you created everything in one platform. If you created the videos in multiple platforms, you can imagine the hassle of going through all of them, collect all the videos. Usually you're also losing some of the videos in your process. So now he's selecting some images. Actually, Leo, why are you selecting images? What you're going to do with them? Okay, cool. Okay, so you're combining videos and images. And by the way, Leo, I see you don't have the new version of the plugin, which basically means maybe you didn't get the notification about the new version. No, no, yeah, you don't need to do there anything. So if it happens, you can just download it from the landing page and install it, and it will just, you can even leave Premiere opens. No, you already put it in. All good. Just curious why you didn't start the. Actually, okay, so Leo now creating music, and by the way, Leo, you can actually create it in the plugin as well. Yeah, Leo doesn't even need to make a special prompt because he have like 54 presets to choose from. Um, but if you do need to create a prompt, you can always use the prompt copilot, and just because he's connected to your project context, it's very easy to make a prompt. If I was you, I was thinking, yeah, I think, I don't know actually. What is your vision? I guess just go flow with it. Oh yes. Yeah, usually what we're doing when we make music, we make at least three variations always. Sometimes even the same prompt give you really different results. And the model we use usually always it's Suno. Um, yeah, I guess. Wonder why it happened. What the fuck? And I logged you out. Yeah, that's why you didn't say anything. What the fuck? Let me see. Maybe someone attacking us. Who knows? No, all good. Try it now. No. One moment. Let me try. Yeah, I think you can go for now for the Premiere timeline. I will check what it is. What? Yeah, in a few moments you will have it again. I will look into it later. For now, I'm just storing the. Wonder what it was. Yeah, no, I will tell you when. What is like the so what is like the style of the video? It's like the shorts you usually make? You think we can make like a English version as well? Or it's like complicated? Ah, because you're doing a voiceover. Then don't sweat about it. Um, I give you like a URL you can work from in the meantime. Yeah. לא, אמור להיות בסדר. כן, אבל זה אמור להספיק לך לזה לפחות, שנייה. שאני אבין שנייה מה קורה פה. אולי נגמר לו האחסון, אני לא יודע. כן, אני יודע. טוב, רגע, בוא נראה. שנייה. סבבה, נראה לי שזה יסתדר. כן, כן, זה יסתדר. אין לי מושג, אני בדיוק בודק. אולי נגמר האחסון לשרת, אני עכשיו מנסה לבדוק. בוא נראה. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we have 8 people watching. So basically what happened, guys, we actually had a bug in real time with the server. So I fixed it while Lior worked, and now everything is back to be fine. Let me tell you a little bit about our backups and how does it work. So basically at any moment, if something messed up, even if we get attacked, we always have daily backups of our database and our server. So if someone attacking us, it's always easy to restore. Now, sometimes stuff just happened, okay? Like the server can, I don't know, maybe updated a package. I think that's what happened now. And then it just crashing everything. We have like monitoring tools that telling that us, and we always have someone on it. Sometimes also just Cloudflare have a problem. Cloudflare like running half of the internet. That happened a few times already this year. So yeah, fortunately, no business is really safe. It's already happened everywhere, to ChatGPT, to Claude, to whatever. And yeah, that's it. If anyone have any questions, feel free to ask. And in the meantime, Leo will make the music. Yeah, so what Leo's saying now is like, look how many versions of songs he made in just like few minutes. Even when you work with Suno, it's stopping you. Okay, it's like limiting how many stuff you can do. And honestly, although I really love Suno, I feel like their UX UI even confusing for me. Like, I don't know, it's too much stuff. Sometimes you just want to make cool music and that's it and move on. You actually, no, they could never hear it. Yeah. But it's okay. Maybe you can publish the video later on. Okay, yeah, I found the reason for the crash. Like just a package updated itself and it crashed the server. Who knows, huh? Yeah, I fucking love Suno. Oh wait, I have some messages in the Twitter stream. Oh yeah, no, not really a questions. So like Leo, how much time usually it takes you to get from the idea part to the actual finished product? Okay. So I asked Leo how much time it take him usually to make a reel. So he said before Kolbo it could take him like few days for one reel, and now it can take him sometimes even few hours. You need to understand that a lot of times, even though AI is so fast, the time that it takes from an idea for execution, it can take tons of time, like to actually get polished product, not just a regular video you generated. So this is why platform like Kolbo will be relevant anytime, because the flow is what matters, not only like the models you use. So I guess now basically you're editing it by the pace and the rhythm of the song, right? Cool. Wow, it's crazy. This crash happened when we were live, huh? Thank God. So I'm actually now pushing an update to Kolbo, because when I restored the server, it also lost some of the updates I did today. So of course I wanted to receive them again. Whoever don't know, we had a huge bots attack. Just tons of bots attacked Kolbo. Yeah, a lot of Turkish bots, a little bit from the Philippines. I guess it's just a farm. I don't know what it is, but we made tons of protections to avoid it. Nothing was risky. It just like they were able to use a lot of credits. Um, so yeah, we avoided that. Thinking if there was a way, but everything's so limiting in this thing. I think this one that you were on. That one is also interesting if you're doing text elements appearing with your rhythm of talking. So that one will be the best. And if not that, so we want to show I not the eye actually. I would show there was one of them where she laying on the back. Yeah, I think this one could be the second one. I will use one of them. Oh, that one is also nice. Not this one, the other one. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I can already see it will be really good. How do you keep, by the way, the color grading the same with the AI? Do you even mention it in the prompt or cool? Cool. Okay, I think we will finish here. Can't wait to see it being done. But yeah, so guys, again, this is Leo, our new CMO, extremely talented guy. You see here in live how fast he can make content, and that's true to any AI creator that basically make paid work. Also, Lior is teaching a lot of students AI, and he's teaching them exclusively on Kolbo.AI. And we're even developing features sometimes based on those reviews and so on. So, Leo, thank you so much. It was really cool to see the process. And yeah, guys, tomorrow we will see you, and we actually will announce and launch our new contest. We're going to have a really cool new contest. All the details will be tomorrow. It's going to have prizes, money prizes, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. חכה, תישאר.